Make some noise for my good friend, Mr. Sean Leary, guys.
How we feel in Southern California, huh? How we feel? Huh? I'm in the circle. Come on, we're making TV here. Clap it up. Let's do it. Yeah, party. Woo! Hey, you guys are awesome. Life is good. We are 20 minutes from the beach. People are wearing sandals and shorts. I love this life. People in Toledo, Ohio are at Applebee's right now, getting excited about avocado egg rolls, and we're here making television. Do you know how amazing that is? You know how awesome that is? This is insane. My parents are at home right now watching Law and Order New York, Miami right now. We're doing this. Let's get that energy up. Life is good, right? Man, life is good. Everybody's so negative though, right? You notice that? People are always complaining. And it's always the people that have no business complaining. I hate these people, right? It's like, oh, my girlfriend just wants to have threesomes all the time. God, my butler sucks at tucking me into my bed. God, my huge penis keeps dragging on the floor of my Porsche. I knew you would laugh the hardest at that, for sure. I try to keep it positive. I live my life in the positive. I'm a positive guy. I find the positive in any situation. Like, my student loan bills are through the roof, but it's cool. I had a blast in college. I met all my friends, right? I stubbed my toe the other day. It's fine. That toe was a dick. It deserved to be stubbed. Like, I can literally turn getting arrested into a positive, right? It would just be like, I'm gonna get ripped, free shit. Yeah. Let's fight all the Pokemon in here. Yeah. I had to do it. That one's for you at home. What am I, Johnny Carson? I don't know. That was for you at home. My dad will love that bit. You guys are a lot of fun. I keep it positive. I live my life positive. I like to have a good time. I get excited very easily. Like if somebody tells me any good bit of news, I just turn into one of those inflatable guys outside of a car dealership. Hey, Sean, I got tickets to Suicide Squad. That's my life. That's just me being me. I don't have any cartilage. I just kind of flail around. It's just very physical, and I have to stay in this box. Got all this space, but just stay right there. I'm telling you though, these student loans is killing me. I think my girlfriend and I, we're like the poor couple right now. We're like a super poor, but it's cool. We're gonna survive. We're going to survive because, I don't know if you know this, but the poor kids always survive and the rich kids die. I'm telling you. Any horror movie, poor kids live, rich kids die. Because the rich kids always think that scary sound is some of the nice crap in their house. Right? Like, what was that? Oh, that was just the chocolate fountain. Yeah, but wait, what was that? Oh, that's just the Tesla charging. Okay, but what was that? Oh, that was just my room full of gold coins a duck just dove in there. But the poor kids, they know what the two things in their house sound like, right? What was that? Well, it wasn't the fridge or the toaster. Let's get the hell out of here. We're gonna survive. We're gonna make it. Yeah. Hey, you guys are fun. You guys having fun? We're having a good time, right? This is fun. Yeah, we're trying to survive. We just, me and my girlfriend, we just went to see a Dodgers game. We went to a Dodgers game. Woo! You guys like sports? Do we like sports? Sports? I love sports. I love sports to death, but there's one thing that bothers me. I love sports, but I don't like it when athletes are the spokespersons for products. Like, it just bothers me because aside from Peyton Manning, they're all so bad at acting and reading scripts and being personable, right? Like, it's always the same with these guys. It's always, "Hi, I'm Clayton Kershaw, starting valuable pitching staff for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Echo, town Dodgers." And when Echo, Mayor Garcetti said and when life throws you a curve and it's get on down to your Glendale area Subaru for Head and Shoulders when Mitsubishi, have it your way. Go home, Clayton Kershaw, you're drunk, man! What are you doing? You might as well just have a really intense guy just be like, "Acura, because cars." That's not how you move product. That's not how you push units, right? Like, if you want to sell your car, you just got to get a handsome, charming actor to do it, right? Like, remember those Matthew McConaughey commercials for Lincoln? Right? Look at that. Like, he literally was just, all right, I love Lincoln. They sold like 50 million Lincolns after that. Every lady in America, "I'll take 6 Lincolns! Give me all the Lincolns! Bring in the Lincolns!" My mom has like $17 to her name. She saw that commercial, went out and got 2 Lincolns. And we don't have Lincoln money, ladies and gentlemen. I feel like Matthew McConaughey is so handsome and charming that he could just sell anything, right? Like, even an idea that I'm not even on board with. He could just ride up to me on a horse like, all right. You're my boyfriend now. And I would just be like, okay. Right? All right, yeah, okay, all right. All right. We having fun? You guys having a good time? I have to have fun. You having fun? Oh, so we went to a Dodger game, and then we watch a lot of Netflix. Watch a lot of romantic comedies. We like romantic comedies still. Those are still fun, right? Come on, clap it up. We like romantic comedies. I love romantic comedies, but there's this scene that's in every romantic comedy that I love, right? It's in all of them. You've all seen it. There's a guy and a girl, and they're in love, right? And the girl gets offered the internship at the magazine in New York. It's that dream job right under Meryl Streep. You know what I'm talking about. And she's got to pick between the dream job or the man that she loves. And she's at the gate. She's about to go off to JFK. But guess who comes running through the airport? It's the boyfriend. "Babe, don't go. Babe, wait, stop." And he gets to the gate. And she's like, "Oh my God, you can't." And he's like, "Yeah, for you, babe." And they stay in love. She doesn't go, right? Amazing scene, right? We can all agree that's a great scene. But you know what I noticed? They haven't had a scene like that in a movie since 9/11. Right? Because you know how big of a train wreck that scene would be today, right? Babe, wait, 1 second, babe. Just give me 1 quick second. 1 second, baby. I'm coming for you, baby girl. Just give me 1 quick second. Oh, jeez, baby girl. I'm coming for you. Give me 1 quick second. I don't have any aerosols. 1 quick second, baby girl. I'm coming for you, baby. Just hang on, baby girl. Just give me 1 quick... Baby girl, I'm coming for you. Let me say aerosols. Aerosols. Babe, I've been randomly selected. Hey, you guys were a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
Give it up for John Leary.